100 guys and gals, good morning. Take two. Let's do this again. Time to reveal, okay? The money that I saved, it's a total of dun dun dun. Guys, I beat my record last week from 23,000 pesos. Now I've got 23,070 pesos. Okay? So here I am again. 23,069 pesos. And then, remember, 23,069 pesos. And then I have a remaining last week of 30 pesos. So, it's a total of 23,099 pesos. 1 pesos to make it 2-4, okay? Anyway, earn, save, and enjoy.